I used to long for autumn like a ship returning home from sea. But over the last few years, as the trees start to be stripped of their colours, I can't help but feel rushed. I think it's knowing that winter's right around the corner, and short days, dull weather, and skyrocketing household bills are looming. Or it could be the reminder that another new year is getting close and I'm still trying to figure things out. I'd normally dash around like crazy trying to make the most of the fall colour and capture the best possible photo for the season. Fall colours come and go here like a passing train, and that fight against time photography wise in the past has muted my childhood nostalgia towards the beautiful season. So this autumn, instead of stressing about trying to capture a classic postcard image amongst the vast, most vibrant foliage I can find, I've decided to try and remain in my normal mind state when it comes to photography, which is to simply walk around, enjoy the outdoors, and if I get some photos, I get some photos. This is the Autumn Anti-Rush, episode 1. If you don't mind Lupin's butt in the shot here as he's having a little rest. So plan for today, I'm going to drive over to a very small town that's not far from me, about 10-15 minutes away, called Corbridge in Northumberland, and it's a beautiful town for gift shops and coffee shops and stuff, but I wouldn't class it as a go-to place to go to for photography. But with that being said, I'm going to be going super minimal A7IV with the tiny budget 50mm 1.8. Obviously action camera on my chest just in case I do find a shot that's noteworthy of recording. I am going to take this camera here because I've got 2 shots left on the film roll and I really just want to get them out the way so I can get the other photos on there developed. Let's just get on the road and go and see what we can find. Just arrived, and as you can see from the trees along the waterside there's still loads of time before there's any colour in those type of trees, but driving through the town prior to standing here, there's quite a lot of little spots and little corners where there's some really nice colour contrast between oranges and greens, so I think we'll get some nice detail shots today if nothing else. Quite like this house across the way, dead simple, nice bit of light on there hitting the houses. Love this gift shop. Bought stuff from there before for presents. I think this could make a really nice scene here. I'm going to use this lamppost as a bit of blocking. Not that we need it here, but I think it always adds a little bit of character. That's if the cars don't block it. Yeah, the car's going to block it. All right, we've got a moment here. Beautiful light. Let's get the camera high enough. Portrait as well. If someone walked through there, that would be really nice, but the chances of that happening are probably very slim. I'm just going to have a little quick look down here. Here's quite a nice example of the pros of walking around a small town and properly going down all the little back streets and stuff, because I had no idea this walking route was here. It is private land, but it's got public access down that side there. And yeah, I had absolutely no idea this existed, so obviously quite a nice little find. I don't think it quite makes a photo opportunity, but nice to just stumble across a new walking area anyway. I might just have a little walk down and see if there's anything of interest and then get back up into the town. This gate on its own is kind of cool though. And it fades into those black trees at the top, which kind of makes like a, if I do a weird sort of angle on it, I think that makes quite a cool image. Just because of the way that the backdrop is so dark. But maybe not, you guys decide. Like I say, I'm not expecting anything from today. If I come back with 1 or 2 photos that are slightly nice, that'd be great. But it is very much a no expectations day of taking photos. Just for an excuse to use my camera more than anything. And obviously, watching the intro of this video, you'll know a little bit more why I've decided to come to a town that I probably wouldn't think about of doing photography in. So yeah. Okay, I've changed my mind on reflection. I am going to get a photo of this hut. Oh, you're supposed to keep to the right, so you're supposed to go this way. Let's just go dead on, straight like this. Got light in the foreground, light in the background. If we pull the histogram up, we want to make sure we've got enough detail in the shadows to be able to pull that out later down the line in post. So probably about there, overexposing by a stop perhaps. Okay, so I'm putting the action camera in prep of crossing this road here because I've already seen something I'd really like to take a photo of, but I think it's like part of somebody's house, or is somebody's house. So let me take a look at it from this side. So those leaves there are absolutely fantastic. Thank you. See if we can punch in and get a detail of that window. Yeah, that's awesome. Love it. Okay, so here, if you see the gap between the two tombstones, which is then leading through that archway there, if I can get somebody in there, I think this will make a really nice image. Bit of thought, oh, there's someone coming, but they're on the wrong side of the road, I think. And a car's gone past. Here we go. Maybe. Just because the leaves on the floor here, when I'm shooting at 2.2 are so blurry, there's a little bit of softness to the tombstones as well. And then we just have that person in between, which I think looks really awesome. Okay, I just want one single person. Oh, that one was okay with the duo. Oh, there's a guy coming in a red jacket. That would be fantastic. Come on, mate. Get yourself in the frame. There we go.
So I just finished editing this video that you're currently watching and realized I never filmed an outro for the video, and all of my camera batteries are currently on charge. So I'm filming the outro on my iPhone because that's exactly what this series is. No stress, just chilling, taking photos and getting videos out there. Done is better than perfect, and hopefully you enjoyed this. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.